You can go for a little walk while it's early in the morning before it gets hot. Here I found some beautyberry. Of course, this time of year the berries are not ripe. I've seen these plants all my life, and the purple berries, they never looked edible to me, but I read in my foraging book that they are. And the leaves are known to have some insect repellent properties to them, but they say the level of toxicity in that is not known, so you'd have to be careful about that. But these are more easily identified when the berries are purple. That might just be where they roost. But here's a trail we've never been on. It looks a little overgrown. We'll check it out a little bit. Spider web. There's a field full of horse mint. I mean, just full of it. This trail is not very well maintained, but that's alright. Well, the trail's still going. Came down to a little creek. See something white over there. That's an unusual looking mushroom. The lichen on the rock. Nice green moss. Soft. So this is a turkey tail. You don't eat that as to make tea for medicine. This is a new trail we've never been on before. So we're trying to find out where it goes. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Well, because I'm new, I can't remember what this is. But I know I've been looking at it on foragingtexas.com, and I will identify it once I get home. Something seems to like eating the leaves off of it. You see light, so it must be coming out somewhere. It's hot already. It's only like 8 o'clock in the morning. Watch out. Don't rake your feet across this bull nettle. That's right where it'll get your toes. And that's for real right there. Pack it in and pack it out. Don't leave your garbage. Left the trail and we came down here below the spillway again. Water's way down. All this was underwater. I'm hiking in my Vibram 5-finger shoes. Feels like I'm barefoot, but I'm not. It's awesome. Little cliff area. You got the different layers of sediment. All this was underwater just a few days back. It's strange, there's a black layer. You see that? Very interesting. Alright, well that was just a short little hike. Wasn't very long, but a little bit of exercise. Anyway, don't forget to click like and subscribe and leave a comment. Tell us where your favorite hiking spots are.